Welcome to our channel. If you want to use the Calm app to improve your sleep quality through guided meditations and sleep stories, follow these step-by-step instructions to get the most out of this wellness tool. Step 1. Download the Calm app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Step 2. On the home screen, tap the Sleep tab at the bottom of the interface to access all sleep-related content, including sleep stories, music, and soundscapes. Step 3. Browse through the available sleep stories, narrated by various voices, including celebrities. Choose one that appeals to you based on the theme, narrator, or duration. Step 4. Before starting your sleep story, adjust your device settings by enabling Do Not Disturb mode to prevent notifications from interrupting your session. Step 5. Tap play on your chosen sleep story and adjust the volume to a comfortable level. You can also set a sleep timer if you prefer the audio to stop after a certain duration. Step 6. Lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Focus on the narrator's voice and let the story guide you into relaxation. Step 7. If sleep stories aren't working for you, try the guided sleep meditations in the same section, which use breathing techniques and visualization to promote restfulness. Step 8. Track your progress in the app's profile section to see how consistently you're using Calm and how it might be improving your sleep patterns over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.